fidgets. So I know fidgets are trending right now, so I just wanted to show you guys all my fidgets. And also, I'm not going to be putting pictures or anything, but you guys will see what I'm getting in a week or so. I have a lot of things ordered for new fidgets, so some of this stuff you might not see because I'm going to put all of this in one video. So the second half of the video, if you don't see this stuff, it's because it's no longer a fidget of mine because I have so much other stuff I have to fit here. So anyways, let's get on with the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Let's go. My first fidget is the wacky trap. I've seen a lot of people make like snappers out of it, but mine's too long and I have troubles taking it apart, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. And one day I'll try to do it. But yeah, the first one is the wacky track. Here's some more. Alright, that's fidget number 1. Fidget number 2 is this snake I like to keep in a square. It's hard to do with one hand. And that's fidget number 2 for now. Oh wait, I also have another one of those. It's very mini. Here it is. That's fidget number 2. It is this squishy panda. So we actually went to a store wanting to find a fidget like this, or like a fidget, and we couldn't find one, so I ended up choosing the cute little panda. Very satisfying. And that is fidget number 3. You can also find these at like a local Walmart if you guys have those at the local Walmart. I have no idea, but mine definitely has that. Oops, little smudge. Anyways, it's my Neato. And I totally recommend you guys make these into globbles if you have more than one. Especially if you have 3, then they get really sticky. And they're also filled with stuff and they can stick to your ceiling. So that's fidget number 4. Next, I don't really like slime, but this is the only few slimes I have. I only have like 1 or 2 or 3 slimes. I'm not so sure. But anyways, this is the marshmallow one. I got it in an arcade from all the tickets. It smells horrible, but it's so cool. I don't even know. Try and take some out. Hang on, you guys. There we go. I have no idea if I'm going to do the second half, because before I said I'm going to do the second half, now I'm not so sure. But anyways, this is fidget number 5. I think this is the last of the slimes, but anyways, my 6th fidget is this banana scented slime. I know on the top it says it has like sprinkle beads and like this yellow, but I mixed it up, so this one's satisfying. I'm only going to take out a portion. But yeah, they do have the beads in there. But the buttons I took out because they were really rough. Anyways. You can get this also at Walmart. And it smells like banana split. And that's fidget number 6. Next, I don't know if you really want to call this a fidget, but I have this like board kind of thing. Here, I'll show you. Don't mind that. That's just the background. That's me unpacking. So yeah, this is fidget number 7. Fidget number 8 is one of my favorites. It's an Orbeez stress ball. It's very satisfying, but also really big, so it's kind of hard to squish. But I like to sometimes turn it over and squish the head. It's easier. So yeah, that's fidget number 8. Next is one of my least favorite fidgets. This is not really a fidget to me because, well, some people may like it, but there's like a little ball. And you gotta like move it around in the maze. I don't really like this as a fidget, but a lot of people do. And you're wondering like, hey, why did you get it if you don't like it then? I didn't mean to get it. I got it in a fidget pack and it just came with it, and I just don't like it, but that's fine. It's not something I would go for. Anyways, that's fidget number 9. Anyways, fidget number 10 is this infinity here. And this is not a real one, but my dad 3D printed it for me because I really wanted one. It's a little flimsy, but I still love it. Still very fun. And that's fidget number 10. Next is a lot of people's favorite, these marble meshes. We have the blue one. I like squishing them like this. I don't know about you guys. The pink. There we go, in the green. These are also really quiet, so you can bring them to school. And by the way, guys, I have news. I'm going back to school full-time with everyone in my class, except for the remote students, like the fully remote students, on Monday. So hopefully I can bring some of my fidgets. So yeah, there's 3. Fidget number 11 is this pea popper. I kind of broke it, but it's fine. I really don't care. Broken, but that's fine. Still works. Especially the corner ones. You just gotta pop them back down. See. That's okay. It squishes really easily. Anyways, fidget number 11 is a pea pod. Next is not really a favorite fidget, but this also came in the pack, remember? So it's this Rubik's Cube. I mixed up. I'm really frustrated with this thing. I almost threw it across the room. But yeah, this is fidget number 12. Next, we have this big glitter ball I got for Christmas. It's very big. Look at the size comparison to my hand. That's fidget number 13. Fidget number... Oh, sorry. Fidget Anyways, I didn't expect that. Anyways, fidget number... Jeez. I think it's 14 now. Yeah, 14. This is Dino one. I had to pick up all these Orbeez. Yeah, that's fidget 13. Anyways, guys, so sorry about that. I had to pick up all the Orbeez. I'm just wiping you up my bed. And yes, we did get it fixed, and I'm still keeping it. And anyways, I said 13, but don't mind it. I meant to say 14. So anyways, fidget number 15 is the puzzle ball. You can see it's really loud. It kind of gives me OCD when they're not in the right place. So when I mix them around, I always be sure that I know that I know that they all go back in the same spot. So yeah, that's fidget number 15. 15. Next are these mesh stress balls. This one's kind of really hard to squish, so I might cut the net off of this one. But this one's broken because my friend, we all know who that was. If you're watching this, you know who you are. Broke it, but I still squish it. So I just put my finger over the broken part on my hand and I just squish. This one's easier to do, but yeah. Anyways, it's fine. It's fidget number 16. Fidget number 17 are these mochi. So first I have the turtle mochi. One of my favorites, the banana mochi. A lot of people's favorites, the strawberry one. Another one of my favorites. All of them are my favorite, actually. Dog one. And a lot of people's favorite is this hedgehog. Not because it's cute. Well, yeah, because it's cute and it's textured. So yeah, that's fidget number 17, I'm pretty sure. If not, it will correct you, so it's right there if I'm incorrect. But if not, it's fidget 17 or whatever I said. Anyways, my 18th fidget is the bike chain with the small rings and the big stuff in the middle. So a lot of people have the bigger rings, and I know that gets annoying, but here's this. Anyways, guys, I also have an eBay account. It's Price World, like the name of my YouTube channel. you can go check it out on eBay. Just download the app eBay, and you can go look at my stuff. Just type in price roll, and it might come up. I have no idea, but if not, if it doesn't come up with me, click on one of my products I have right now up. You guys can see right here, or I'll put it right here. This is all the stuff I have up right now. I might be putting a few more things, but that's all I have up right now. So that stuff is for sale. So if you guys want any, go check it out on my eBay. So fidget number 18 is done. Next are these other things you can get at Walmart. These Neato Groovy fruits. Get the orange, the strawberry, and the broken banana. I use it so much. It's broken. Anyways, groovy fruit pack. Also at Walmart. Fidget number 19, I think. Yeah, done. Okay, so you guys, this is my Monka noodles. I have Monka noodles. I have all the colors that I can rainbow order. Right now I have the yellow one out. You can stretch it, you can twist it, you can do whatever. You can do that with them, but yeah. You can do so much with these. So yeah. Also, you can also get these at Walmart, I think. I just didn't get mine from Walmart. I think the ones at Walmart are so much softer. That's what I've been hearing. But yeah, fidget number 20. Next fidget is this Slinky. You can't see it already. The reason why I have you propped up now is because for the bigger fidgets like this one, I know Monkey Noodle is small, but I can't. I was holding the phone with the other hand, so, and I need two hands for both of these, so. And it's also glow in the dark. I'm not gonna show. I can't show it because it's too light outside. And it's ombre with yellow, pink, and blue. Next fidget is the puzzle ball. This is the one I'm not taking apart because I do not know how to put it back together. But anyways, I have the other puzzle ball in pieces. If you have different colors than me, this might be a little bit harder, but if it's fine, try your best. I'm just going to show the pieces and how you should be holding them. Like this. Then take a piece that looks like this or like this. That has the smaller end. Put it like so where the tooth part is, you put the thin right there. And you slide it up. Then you take the yellow and you put it, so watch, you put it in the back right here. And then you should be able to slide it over like that. So you just put the little part in the back. And then you start off like right here with the yellow thing, slide it over, and it should fit. And then orange piece on, and then the purple. Oh wait, no. Other way around, sorry. Purple on. Sorry, I'm a bad explainer. And then like the orange one on, and then the green one was on. That was probably the worst one ever, but try the best. If you want me to make a video personalized to how to put back together fidgets, like this one, I will help, but I can't do this one, so. That was fidget number 21, I think. Last two fidgets are the best. Number 22 is this tangle. I got this at my local Dollar Tree, or my local Dollar General. Sadly, they sold out, so I like doing that. Yeah, and that's number 22. Last fidget is my Pop-It. Got this for Valentine's Day. I heard if you wash these, they'll make it better. So I washed mine, and this side's a little bit better than it was. Yeah, that's my last fidget. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and make sure if you want to see more videos like this, like also my the day I'm gonna get my fidgets, like the fidgets that are gonna come in. You might want to watch out for that video. And also make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And also make sure to go follow me on Instagram, PriceWhirl. I will be posting video like stuff, so if you miss out on my videos, which you shouldn't, but if you do, you go check out my Instagram, and I have all my videos, like all my video thumbnails up there, so yeah, go check that out. And also, if you want to purchase anything that you see on the screen, go check out my eBay, go download the app eBay if you haven't already, and you can buy any of these things, and it will ship right out to you. And yeah. And if you have any suggestions on what I should put on my eBay, let me know, and I will put them up, and you guys can buy them. So, yeah. Bye.